Doha Bank UAE Himyan Debit Card Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Doha Bank Himyan Debit Card isn't just a simple bank card, you won't believe the benefits packed into it. Most people get this wrong by assuming debit cards have no perks. The surprising truth is Himyan offers cashback, reward points, and low fees, making it a practical tool for daily spending. Pricing includes an annual fee, which varies depending on account type, usually around owed 100-200. You won't believe the cashback. Some categories like groceries, fuel, and online purchases earn up to 1% back. ATM withdrawals in UAE branches are free, while international withdrawals may incur small charges. Optional add-ons, such as insurance coverage and exclusive offers, may add owed 50-100 annually. Most people get this wrong by ignoring total value. The real benefit comes from convenience, rewards, and security. For example, reward points can be redeemed for shopping, dining, or travel, offsetting costs and making everyday spending more valuable. Combined with secure online banking and low fees, it's a solid choice for personal finance management. In conclusion, Doha Bank Himyan Debit Card pricing reflects both usability and rewards. By evaluating fees, cashback, and perks, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly get for your money. It's more than a debit card, it's a financial tool for everyday convenience.